welcome to the Christian world. Juan Carlos, my love. Siyempre, wish ko, gusto ko, lumaki kang healthy. Tapos, I know God will shower you more blessings. Be generous, be humble, be honest, and be kind to all. I love you, baby loves.
Happy birthday, Juan Carlos. Sana lumaki kang mabait, masigla, laging sumusunod kay mama mo at sa papa mo. At saka, mag-pray ka lagi para ikaw ay lalong lumaking mas mabait. Happy birthday! Love you!
Sana mas maging magaling pa. Mas magaling ka pa sa dad mo at mas magaling ka pa sa amin ng dad mo kasi kailangan mong yumaman na higatan mo pa kami. Wag kang hindi ko higatan si dad, meron naman siyang sa akin. Hindi, kailangan mo siyang higatan. Kasi yun ang pangarap ng dad mo, higatan mo siya. Yun lang, sana maging magaling ka sa school.
Hi Juan Carlos, ako si Tito Lawrence. Sana paglaki mo maging sunuring ka, mabait. At lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos.
May you never lose the wonder in your soul. May you always have a blanket for the cold.
Anong ginalo mo, ma'am?
Pineapple, tang-tang, o kaya pomelo.
Ano yung pomelo?
Umiinom ba kayo na shembot?
Ako umiinom. Hindi ko na pomelo parang ano?
Parang gamot.
Oo. Yung nabibili sa center, yung libre.
Tempra, paracetamol.
Parang siyang ganon.
Alin?
Pero lychee, masarap yung lychee. Try nyo. Masarap yun. Super. Recommended.
Welcome to the Christian world, Shorty!
No matter the weather, you lift me up, I'll lift you up alright. We'll be alright. We'll stay connected, all of us connected. Yeah.
Carlos, this is your special day. I hope, alam ko hindi mo pa ito makikita sa ngayon, pero darating yung time na mapapanood mo to kahit sa video lang. So, ang wish ko, maging mabait ka sana, and maging masipag ka, maging mabait kang bata. Eventually, susuportahan ka namin ng mama mo para ma-achieve lahat ng dreams mo. We love you, Juan Carlos.
Everybody shine your light. You and I, we make a difference. I see the way, you see the vision. The brighter day made it a mission. You pick me up, I pick you up, alright. Yeah, we'll be alright. Let's stay connected, all of us connected. Yeah, 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 yeah. Reaching out, when we are together, we will shine.